buy online. Today, everybody goes online and buys one click here, one click. Today, it is common. But when they came here, some 12, 15 years back, actually, you did not know what is e-commerce. So people had to get used to this. E-commerce is a platform where you can go and buy online. The products will come to you. See, and even Flipkart also. Uh, See, Amazon came much later. Flipkart came first, okay, and
Okay.
they struggled to educate. Why did Amazon not come? They were waiting. They were waiting that somebody needs to educate. Why will we break our heads? After Flipkart came and they educated, then Amazon, it became easy for them because
Oh,
people knew how to go. And see, I'll give you one interesting example also. You all must be knowing this concept COD. Have you heard of it? Cash on
uh,
delivery.
oh yeah, yes, right.
Cash
Yes,
on
ma'am.
delivery.
Yes.
When you buy something, you get cash on delivery. I mean, you can pay to them cash on delivery. COD, it is called COD.
Yeah,
This is
yeah.
only there in India, nowhere in the world.
Oh,
So
is it?
even if any foreign company also comes to India, they have to understand this market and educate the people first. That is over. But why did they do this cash on delivery? Everywhere else in the world, you have to pay your debit or credit card and then only the product comes. In India, the product comes and you can pay. One feature. Why did they give this? Because we don't believe and we don't trust people easily, and especially we do not know how e-commerce works. So they had to give this feature. And what am I trying to say? That every startup has to understand what his market is like, features of the market. Then he has to, especially if it's a new product, he has to mold himself to the culture and to the people of the market.
Yes. How can one win the trust of investors?
Okay. Um, so investors are people who understand businesses very well, and they have seen through so many startups, and they have also seen startups failing, startups succeeding. So they have their own metrics, what makes success, what doesn't make success. So the first thing that investor sees is, and you'll be surprised, the first thing that investor sees really is the team. They are not so concerned about the product, because
Okay.
products can reach the market. But if the team is not good and dynamic, even a good product will not reach the market. But
Okay.
even a very simple, crazy product will also become a super success if you have a great team. So the first thing they see is the background of the team. That means the educational background and if they have work experience, the experience background. If they have worked in good companies where they know the processes and they have studied in premier institutions, investors are very happy first that the team is good.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, then they see the idea and the product, and they see that this product is good enough and the team is good. So idea, they see first, they see how good the team is and the idea, and
Okay.
then they see whether this will fit into the market in which they are trying to put. Is the country ready for the market, the timing, and then they see the network and connects of the startup and the team. So basically, it's about how they can bring the product to the market and how dynamic they are. Then they see the idea, and then they also see whether how dynamic the idea is. These two things are the main.